Bright Star coach said sorry for defeat to Ethiopia. The Bright Star head coach Stefano Cousin has apologized to the nation for the humiliating defeat by the Ethiopian counterpart in Dar es Salaam. The two teams headed to Thursday match with an equal advantage after the goals draws in the first leg played at Benjamin Mkapa Stadium of Tanzania on 22nd July 2022. But in the second leg encounter, which was also played at the same venue, the Ethiopian team scored 5 goals to proceed to the second place with 0-5 in aggregate. The devastating loss has provoked great indignations and anger in public opinion, with some slamming the national team as an insult to nation. Others also termed the defeat a failure of the football administration and lack of responsibility from the technical staff and players. In reaction, the Italian national Stefano Cousin apologized to the nation on behalf of football family in the country. On behalf of football family and on my own behalf, let me apologize to the entire people of South Sudan, and especially football fans and supporters. They deserve better than this. This is shamefully indeed, he said. Mr. Cousin said during his live interview with iRadio on Saturday that South Sudan do not deserve what happened on Thursday at Benjamin Mkapa Stadium. He said he will work hard to address the weakness in the coming game, build a strong team for South Sudan. I cannot lie to you, I don't want to say 100% we will qualify, but let us work hard to build a strong team for South Sudan, Stefano said. Following the loss, the Bright Stars are eliminated from the CHAN 2023 competition. However, the head coach said they tried their best to make a difference in the remaining game of CAF, AFCON qualifications.